Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Vending machine costs with as little as a $2,000 investment. You can generally get a basic vending machine business up and running. Many vending machine operators recommend buying used or refurbished machines, which you can find between $1,200 and $3,000.
Take our lead.
Can you place vending machines anywhere? You probably could technically place a vending machine anywhere, but it's not quite so simple. First and foremost, you cannot legally place a machine on someone else's property and use their utilities without their permission or a contract.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Some locations require fixed fees. This fee varies depending on the type of machine installed, but typically ranges from around $5 per month for simple standalone machines, such as gumball machines, to as much as $50 per month for coffee and snack vending machines that require electricity or water.
Let's help you make your mark.
You probably could technically place a vending machine anywhere, but it's not quite so simple. First and foremost, you cannot legally place a machine on someone else's property and use their utilities without their permission or a contract. Second, not every location is ideal for a vending machine.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Bulk vending machines. One of the most affordable types of vending machines with the biggest profit margin is the bulk machine. Bulk machines are those low-tech dispensers of gumballs, other candies, and toys you see at playgrounds, parks, and restaurant waiting areas.
Let's help you make your mark.
Negotiate the percentage of sales you'll pay to the owner in return for the vending machine's rent. Offer in the low to mid-range of what you can afford to pay and wait for his response. For example, assume you figured anywhere from 10% to 30% of net sales.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The typical vending machine generates over $75 of revenue each week and over $300 per month. Some vending machines generate much less than this, while some vending machines generate much, much more. The more well-placed, well-stocked machines an owner operates, the greater their profits and revenue.
Take our lead.
5 great places to install vending machines. Waiting rooms. We've all been in waiting rooms as they are located in multiple types of businesses. Workplaces. Check the office parks and manufacturing plants in your community. Storefronts. Public parks. Hotels, motels.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you have the support of experts behind you, vending machines are great investments because they offer cash flow. Customers put their money into the machine or swipe their card and you immediately collect the money.
Let's help you make your mark.
You will need to fill the machine with around 400 sodas, about $100 to $125 in cost, and fill the change mechanism with about $25 in change. Your total costs for one location, setup and operating, is around $750 to $800. If you sell 50 sodas per day from a machine at 50 cents, you will take in 25.00 a day.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.